How do you make a hydrogen bath? There are three main technologies and each have their own unique strengths and limitations. Number one, hydrogen bath tablets. These are elemental magnesium-based tablets that react with water to generate hydrogen gas. This is the chemical equation of how it works. These tablets contain organic acids like malic acid or tartaric acid to help maintain the pH and speed up the reaction. Currently, a typical H2 bath tablet contains 240 milligrams of magnesium, generating 20 milligrams of H2, which also converts to 243 milliliters of H2. These hydrogen bath tablets dissolve 20% of the H2 they generate based on our testing. Dosage tip. To hit 0.3 milligrams per liter in an average sized bathtub, around 30 gallons, you need about 8 to 10 tablets. Here are some pros for the hydrogen bath tablets. Portable and simple. No power needed. Effective for localized or full body baths. Here are some cons. Limited control over timing. Ongoing cost over time. Leaves magnesium hydroxide residue in the bathtub or container, which is harmless but is visible. Number two, internal electrolysis hydrogen bath devices. These are H2 bath devices that utilize electrolysis to generate hydrogen gas inside the device. They sometimes use recirculating pumps plus PEM or AWI electrolysis. Also, they're often paired with micro bubble diffusers for better H2 gas dissolution. In our testing, some of these devices can generate 0.3 to 1.0 plus milligrams per liter in a well-infused bath and maintain its output over time. Here are some of the pros. Maintain high H2 concentration potential. Automated and continuous. Great for clinics and frequent users. Long-term use. Here are some of the cons. Expensive upfront costs. Requires a power source. Some portable models underperform in large volumes. Some portable models can produce chlorine. Number three, external electrolysis infusion hydrogen bath devices. This involves pairing a hydrogen gas generator like a PM inhaler with an H2 bath infusion system to pump hydrogen gas into the bath. Molecular hydrogen is piped into a circulation and infusion loop in the unit. They come with microbubble diffusers to help increase dissolution. Performance example based on our testing, a 600 milliliter per minute H2 gas generator infused into 132.5 liters or 35 gallons of water for 20 minutes reach 1.27 milligrams per liter of H2. Or 92% of the saturation point at 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are some pros. Scalable based on gas generator output. Great for those who already own an H2 gas generator. Works with low flow rate and high flow rate H2 gas generators. Here are some cons. Setup complexity. Requires two devices, so it has a high upfront cost. Possible compatibility issues. May require a lot of space. If you're interested in tested and approved hydrogen bath technologies, then you should visit my company H2 Hub, where we have all three types of these hydrogen bath products. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to H2 Minutes.